In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect CJ Dropshipping to Etsy. This process is straightforward, and by following these steps, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate your Etsy store with CJ Dropshipping in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log in to your CJ Dropshipping account. If you're not familiar with CJ Dropshipping, it's a platform that allows you to source products and fulfill orders without holding any inventory. It's a popular choice for online sellers who want to streamline their operations, especially on platforms like Etsy. So, go ahead and open up CJ Dropshipping and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in and on the dashboard, the next thing you need to do is locate the authorization section. This section is essential because it's where you'll manage the connections between CJ Dropshipping and various e-commerce platforms. It's usually quite visible on the dashboard, so take a look around and you'll spot it quickly. Now that you've found the authorization section, click on it. This is where you'll find options to add or connect different stores to your CJ Dropshipping account. Today, we're focusing on connecting an Etsy store, so look for the option that specifically mentions Etsy. Sometimes these options are organized by platform, making it easy to navigate. Click on the option to add or connect an Etsy store. Here, you'll be redirected. Note that it might seem a little surprising at first, but it's a standard procedure. You'll land on Etsy's login page. It's important to mention that CJ Dropshipping will need to access your Etsy account, and this step ensures they have the correct permissions. So, go ahead and enter your Etsy account email and password. After you've entered your details, you'll need to confirm the authorization. This action links your Etsy store to your CJ Dropshipping account officially. A prompt will appear where you can review the permissions you're granting. Always take a moment to read through this information to ensure you're comfortable with the terms. Authorizing this connection is crucial because it allows CJ Dropshipping to manage orders and streamline your product sourcing and fulfillment directly through your Etsy store. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully connected your CJ Dropshipping account to your Etsy store. This setup is going to help you enhance your business efficiency by automating many of the behind-the-scenes processes. With this integration, you can now focus more on marketing, branding, or any other area that needs your attention. This wraps up our quick guide. If you have any questions or run into any issues, CJ Dropshipping and Etsy both have customer support teams that can help you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.